This Lemony Orzo chickpea soup is bright, brothy, and just the right amount of cozy. Start with your veggie base with onions, carrots, and celery. Sauté the mirepoix in olive oil until soft and fragrant for about 5 to 7 minutes. Add garlic, oregano, and dill. Pour in your veggie broth, add chickpeas, and bring it to a simmer. Stir in the orzo. For an added nutty depth, you can toast the orzo in olive oil first. Cook until it's tender, about 8 to 10 minutes. Then toss in peas, lemon juice, zest, and chopped spinach. Stir, let it all get cozy, and turn off the heat. Season with salt and pepper, and top it off with parsley or dill. Add vegan feta, olives, or even creamy tahini to mimic the flavor of avgolemono slightly. It's light, lemony, and perfect for days when your soul wants soup and sunshine. The recipe is in the caption. Visit nutsandtwigs.com for details.